Hello everyone. Welcome to Origami Club. So today I would like to share you my experience to making a origami dolphin. So this is the dolphin that I made with a regular printable paper. So okay, I put it here. Dolphin will stay here. So I just pick up a regular paper and I will fold up, prepare for cutting. I need a square shape. The regular printing paper, computer paper is 8 letter size, the 8.5 by 11 inches is rectangular. So I will cut from here. So this is the square paper. If the edge is not well cutted, no problem. So we just we will fold it inside. We fold one time, change the rectangle to triangle, and I will fold this triangle to make two small triangles. Then I will fold this open line from this side around 1/5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Around 1/5 up. You can fold up more or less, no problem. But I measured 1/5. I think this is good. This is the best measurements. So then I open totally. I will fold, here there is a line, I just fold inside. Here also there is a line, I just fold inside. And here I also fold inside. Okay, now I will pull this corner out. You see here. I will just with my two fingers. Okay. And out. Here same thing. I just use my finger here. Out. And from here I fold this corner inside. Now I will fold the paper to align this line, here line, and from the center line. I fold. You observe there is a line, I just fold it up and fold it back. Okay, I rotate, I fold again. I just need this line to be softer. And then I will hold the paper on the table. And then I will put my finger inside and I will pull it this side of paper there and put my two fingers here, and then I will push here on the mountain. So I push down to get another polygon. And so the line is, this line is side, so I need it to be centered line. I just pull it back a little bit. So this line and the outline aligned. Then I will fold from this side to the center line. I will fold inside, fold the two corners inside. Then I open it. I will pull from here, from this point, and this finger push from here, and these two fingers push from here, the two sides that we fold, create a point here. Here a little bit hard, but this technique we will use often in our game. Okay, we create a small triangle here. We will use it in future. Okay, now I will fold from here, this point, and this line, align this line straightly. So I have a line here. Now I will fold this line, align the line that I created just now. I fold this way, and then I fold back to make it softer. Now I will open it, and so I will open like this. It's critical, it's the most difficult part that I will use, and I will, before it was this, then I put like this. This is I created, I put like this, I open from here. You see? And I open, I push. I push, push, push. And align the center line to center. This line to center. And carefully fold the two sides with fingers, push. I said this is the most difficult. So get this shape. And then I will fold two sides inside. And this part inside as well, this polygon. Okay, we'll create a new triangle. And then I will fold like this as well, from this point to this point, to create a line for my future use. Here, same as well, here, I just fold inside. And now I open it in total. And I will refold it, but the two lines I will put inside. And here, I use my finger to adjust it. And I get this shape. So this will practice your fingers, your nerves, to make you more intelligent. You are already more intelligent than me. Okay. So now I will fold this corner inside, this corner inside as well. The purpose is to, okay, so like this another time, and I will drag this corner outside to create a triangle back as well to make it softer. So I will fold like this, and then I push up. So I fold from the center to align this line to this line. Okay, then I fold it up, and I will fold it this way, just this page this way. Here and same thing this way. So from this corner to this corner. Okay, then I will pull this corner out and push from here to get it, to change the small polygon to create a small triangle, inside triangle, and this will be two fins, two side fins for my dolphin. And then I will fold from here as well. So that these two sides meet here, and then I will pull this part down, and here you see I will fold this small triangle this way and this way. The purpose is, after I will make this kind of so I will fold it inside and adjust the tail to side, and here I will push it outside. Okay, the dolphin is ready now. This is my dolphin. This is the dolphin that I created previously. Okay, two dolphins. If you have two kids, two boys, they will fight. And if you have two girls, they will tell stories. Some family, they will have a family. Okay, it's beautiful, huh? Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.